Hello, Facebook. Hi, everybody. Happy Friday to you. It is Friday, August 20th, and I am coming live from the Thyme bar. I am getting ready to leave to go do a catering job, the last one of the week. So I'm excited about that. It's been an awesome catering week. We have done lots and lots and lots of catering this week, and this is the end of it. So I will be leaving, and then I'll be back early tonight. It's not a late job. It's private catered. If you don't know, we do a lot of catering. We do a lot of off-premise catering. And so we can go to your house and cater. We can cater engagement parties, weddings, rehearsal dinners. This is just a family of 26 at an Airbnb, so we're catering for them. So we do a lot of catering all the time, and we really enjoy it. And you know, if you don't want to cook at your next event, let us do the work for you. We'll prepare a menu for you. We'll arrange it around your budget, what you're looking for, and we'd love to help you plan your next event. So contact us for that. If you are interested in hiring a driver because you want to go to some wineries or distilleries and breweries and don't want to drive, Courtney can help you with those needs. Your car, our driver. We just need a couple weeks in advance to plan that for you. The phone number is 845-272-2070. Night on a town, food festivals, wine festivals, events, stuff like that. We can help you plan going to wineries. We send a driver to you. They drive your car. It's a hotel or a house or Airbnb, anything like that. So thanks everybody for watching. Lots of people on today. Hello, Thomas and Candace and Matthew, Christine, Sarah. Lots of people on today. So thank you, Ralph. Thank you. I appreciate it. And let's see. We are open this weekend. Tomorrow, just a reminder, it is a limited menu. Please call and make reservations. We're not taking reservations from 3 to 5, that's walk-in, but 5 o'clock on, we recommend a reservation. We'll be stopping earlier tomorrow evening as well, and we have a limited menu due to some catering, and Marcus and I will be off-premise, and we're just a little short-staffed in the kitchen tomorrow night, so just wanted to let you know that. But we have our great menu. We have charcuterie board, we have cheese plates, our pear salad, our Caesar salad, let's see, pizzas, salads, all that kind of stuff. So we'd love for you to join us tomorrow evening. If not, we're open tonight and we're open tomorrow. Tonight we're looking super busy, so definitely call and make reservations if you want to come in tonight. So let's see. All right, I have to run, so I'm gonna make my cocktail here. It is called Ruby Relaxer. I am going to start with ice in my glass. So those of you that don't know, this is called a highball glass. So you have a highball and a lowball glass, so you can see the difference between the two, highball and lowball. So, you know, different drinks get different glasses. Here at Thyme, we're not super strict on the glasses, but we have some really cool glasses. So I like our margarita glass, which is like a round oval glass. So let's see. All right, we are going to start with an ounce of coconut rum. We are going to add, this is awesome vodka from Arrowwood Distillery, Farm Distillery. They also make beer there. We're gonna put about an ounce of that in. And then we are going to add a splash of peach. So this is what we use as our peach schnapps. So we're gonna add a splash of peach. And then we're gonna top it off with cranberry juice and pineapple juice, which I have to get some pineapple juice out. I forgot to grab it, so give me 1 second. Yeah. Oh, there's a small one here that's open. And we're gonna pour a little bit of perfect amount, look at that, pineapple juice. We're gonna stir it on up here. We're gonna add a splash of cherry juice, so grenadine or cherry juice. We use these awesome filthy cherries. So I'm going to add a splash of cherry juice in there, and then we're going to mix that on up. And there you have it, a Ruby Relaxer. Let's see how this is today. I haven't tasted it. A lot of these drinks I make, I don't taste until I make them. So And then some that are really good, we actually add to our menu. Some that we don't like, we just throw away and never make them again. So, just tastes like you're sitting on an island and on a beach somewhere. It's delicious. If I had this and I was sitting on a beach, I'd be very happy. So anyway, everybody, hope everybody has an awesome night. Thank you for watching me. If you're watching me live, you can put hashtag live in the comments. If you're watching on the replay, hashtag replay. Give me a thumbs up. It's always nice to see who is on, who is live, who's watching me. It is Friday evening. Come in. And that's it. Hope everybody has an awesome night. I got to get catering. We'll talk to you soon. Cheers.